unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Yes, a bad wheel bearing can indeed make a clunking noise, among other sounds such as grinding or whirring. This noise is typically heard when turning or when there's a shift in load. It's important to address this issue promptly, as a faulty wheel bearing affects the car's handling and can lead to significant safety concerns. Consulting a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair is advised to ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable on the road.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.